Hello everyone, and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video I will be discussing some of the most commonly mispronounced words. Okay, without any further delay, let's get started. Before I start saying something, I would like to say the right pronunciation of the word PRONUNCIATION, because generally we call it as pronunciation, because we may get confused with the word PRONOUNC, that is called as pronounce. Okay, because NOUN is present there, but in case of pronunciation you may notice the spelling in that NOUN is not present, instead NUN is present. So that is why it is called as pronunciation, not pronunciation. It is called as pronunciation, not pronunciation. I hope you understand this. So in this list, I will be discussing most commonly mispronounced words. Okay, so the first one is dengue. We call it as dengue. Okay, and dengue is not the correct pronunciation. It is dengue. Dengue means a high fever caused due to the bite of mosquito. Okay, and the next word is asthma. We call it as generally asthma. Okay, it is not asthma. It is not asthma. Instead, it is asthma. Asthma. Okay, asthma. And the next word is which. I will be saying the wrong pronunciation first of all, and I will correct you. Okay, so notice my pronunciation. Okay, vegetable. It is not vegetable. It is vegetable. Vegetable. Okay, you may notice that I am not emphasizing on the letter G, letter E. Okay, I'm not saying vegetable, I'm saying vegetable, vegetable. Okay, and you should not more emphasize on the letter table. Okay, vegetable. Okay, like that you have to call it. The next word is bowl. We call it as bowl, isn't it? Many of us will call it as bowl. Okay, but it is not called as bowl. It is bowl. Bowl. In Hindi we generally say na, अरे बोल यार. Okay, so bowl, bowl, only bowl. You can link this letter word bowl with the Hindi word bowl. Okay, bowl. You should call it as bowl hereafter. Okay, the next word is pizza. Most of us call it as pizza, but here pizza, pizza, that means t should also be emphasized. Okay, pizza, pizza, like this. Okay, and next word is plumber. We call it as plumber, plumber, because we see the letter b over there, but whenever m and b are placed together, you should remember that b is always silent. Okay, so you should not emphasize the letter b, and you should treat it as a silent letter, and you should not pronounce, okay, in the word. Okay, so the right pronunciation would be plumber, plumber. Okay, in this regard I would like to say we should also not call as climb. It should be called as climb, climb. B should not be emphasized because b is silent as m and b are placed together. Okay, and the next word is restaurant. That is what you will call generally restaurant, right? So that is not called as restaurant, it is called as restaurant, restaurant. Okay, you please notice my pronunciation and you speak after me. Okay, as I speak the word, you try to also speak the word, because it will help you to speak the right pronunciation of the various words which I spoke. Okay, and the next word is poem. Generally, we call it as in school days poem, poem, but the right pronunciation is poem. Poem. Okay, it is not poem, it is poem. And the next word is garbage. We call it as generally garbage, isn't it? So it is not the right pronunciation. It should be garbage, garbage, gar. So pag should not be emphasized. Instead, pig should be pronounced. Okay, garbage, garbage. Okay, garbage. And the final word is comment. Not many of us, but some people will call it as comment, isn't it? He gave me negative comment, or like that, or positive comment. So the right pronunciation for the word comment is comment, comment. Okay, if you find this video useful, do let me know in the comment section. And if you find this channel useful, stay tuned with me by hitting the bell icon so that you never miss my upcoming video. Take care, friends. Bye.